Little Daisy and her babies. Her babies. They was a bit sick for 2 days. All of them. They was a bit sick for 2 days, but now they are doing good. And they are having a dinner. They are having a dinner. Bravo, Daisy. Daisy and her 2 lovely puppies. They was abandoned. And now they are here and they are safe. Two lovely puppies. And lovely Daisy, lovely mama. Hey babies. Hey babies. And lovely Daisy. Oh, you are so cute. You are so cute, Daisy. And your babies also. Now she's relaxing, she trusts us. She's not scared anymore. Because we love her. And the babies also. Hey. Baby. She's lovely. Bravo, Daisy.